farther, farther.
Can I have definition?
Farther, to or at a more distant or remote point.
Can you repeat the word? Can you say a sentence, please?
The photo hangs on our wall.
P H O T O